Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can fix the site preview not showing issue in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive right into it. So guys, let me explain really quickly what I mean by site preview. For example, if you're on the Waterfox web browser, there is that feature, and it's actually on most other web browsers as well, that if you hover your mouse over one of your tabs, you will see that image below indicating what awaits you on the given tab, for example, the website content you're on or the page. So if you don't see it, guys, but if you'd like to restore that feature, you will need to access your browser settings. To do that, click into the three lines, in the top right, select settings, and inside your settings, guys, navigate to the general tab, and you will find it under the tabs settings here. Let me find it really quickly. There it is. Show an image preview when you hover on a tab, which is exactly what I just explained. So make sure that it is selected. If you're, for example, unselected, that, as you can see, that site preview will disappear or won't be shown. So simply enable it back again, and that should fix the issue, as you can see, guys. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.